Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use TikTok Series tab feature. Now to use the TikTok Series tab, creators, you must meet eligibility requirements like you must be 18 plus years old and have 1000 plus views in 30 days and free post in 30 days, and go to creator tools to set up a paid collection of up to 80 videos, each up to 20 minutes long. Now, the Series tab then appears on the profile, allowing users to purchase exclusive contents. Now, the key steps for setting up TikTok Series is to access requirement. Ensure you have public and personal account in good standing and meet the 1000 view minimum. And locate the creator tool, which should be available to you in this three-dotted menu line. Once you tap on it, it should be available over here. It is not shown in mine because I have yet to achieve the goal, but it should be shown in yours. Now, once you head to this creator tools option, tap on TikTok Series to start the setup process, which involves creating a collection of videos, setting a price, and enabling the feature. Now you can include up to 80 videos in a series, with each video lasting between 30 seconds and 20 minutes. Now, once approved, this series will be displayed on your profile under Specialized Series tab, where viewers can buy access. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot in your TikTok creator journey. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.